This is Claude, running in Claude Code, driving macOS through an open source MCP server called Mac-CUA. The task on screen: search Google for the population of Tokyo. Calculate what percentage that is of the world population. Write it in notes, then look up Tokyo's mayor on Wikipedia. Watch what happens, and watch what doesn't. First step. Claude calls get_app_state on Safari. The MCP server returns Safari's accessibility tree and a screenshot. Safari isn't running yet, so Claude lists running apps to confirm. Then opens Safari fresh. The window opens, but notice, the cursor hasn't moved. The desktop hasn't shifted. Whatever I was doing on this machine, I'm still doing. Now Claude finds the address bar in the accessibility tree and uses set_value to put population of Tokyo directly into it. No typing animation, no keystroke simulation. The value is set through the accessibility API in a single call. Press_key sends return. The search fires. Google's AI overview comes back. Tokyo Metropolitan Prefecture, around 14.1 million people. Claude does the math in its own context. 14.15 million divided by 8.1 billion. That's 0.17% of the world's population. Time to write it down. Claude calls get_app_state on notes, finds the new note button in the tree, clicks it. A fresh note appears, then set_value again. Title, body, the calculation, the source, all in one structured write. No character by character typing. The note is composed and committed in a single action. This is the difference between simulating a user and using the accessibility API like the operating system intended. It's faster, it's more reliable, and it's invisible. Back to Safari for the second half of the task. Claude sets the address bar to the Wikipedia URL for Tokyo and presses return. The page loads. Now the hard part. Wikipedia's page for Tokyo is huge. The accessibility tree alone is thousands of nodes. Most computer use agents would either drown in tokens or miss the answer. Mac-CUA prunes the tree before serializing. Decorative elements, empty containers, layout-only nodes all get filtered out. What reaches Claude is the meaningful structure. Claude searches the tree for the leadership section, finds it, and catches something subtle. Tokyo doesn't have a mayor. It's a metropolitan prefecture, so it has a governor. The current governor is Yuriko Koike. Claude reports back with the correction, not the literal answer to the literal question. 3 apps, 8 tool calls. A research task with reading, math, writing, and a factual lookup that required actually understanding what was being asked. Through all of it, my cursor stayed where I left it. No window stole focus. No app jumped to the foreground. The work happened on my machine, in my apps, while I was using it for something else entirely. Mac-CUA is open source on GitHub. Apache 2.0 works with Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, Z, any MCP client. Use any model. Run it locally. No accounts, no API keys, no telemetry. If you've wanted a computer use agent that respects the rest of your machine, this is it. Link in the description. Try it.